Let's compare Lead411 versus LeadsForge to see which lead data provider is better for you to grow your business. We'll cover the database size, ease of use, pricing, and integrations. So Lead411 has 450 million contacts with high accuracy, right? So you have people and company, like employees and companies, and LeadsForge has 500 million, so it's 50 million more. You have B2B contacts, right? 500 million of those. For search capabilities, Lead411 has filters and global lists. So if you want to find your ideal clients, basically leads that match your ideal client's profile, you have to fiddle around with filters to share the location of your prospect, their company, size, role, and all of that good stuff. LeadsForge, you can do that. You can use filters, but it's built around chatbot with natural language search. So you basically just describe your ICP, you tell it what you want, and it will actually go ahead and find the leads for you. And you can tell it, okay, maybe focus a lot more on those or whatever it is, or expand the search to a different role, and you can just chat with it as if it's your friend, right? And if you want, you also have filters to use to the old school way of finding leads, right? Let's say it that way. Contact data. Lead data has emails and phone numbers. LeadsForge has emails, LinkedIn profiles, and phone numbers. So it has LinkedIn more, right? CRM integration. Both apps have a bunch of integrations. You can export to CSV, to CRM tools. LeadsForge is part of this Forge stack, meaning you'll have access to all of these apps as well. And Lead411 has 25 or more CRM connectors, right? So Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and all of that good stuff. Now for the pricing, if you take a look at it, Lead411 starts at $49 per month, but this way you're not getting phone numbers. So you'll probably need a bigger plan if you want to get phone numbers. So that means you're limited to email addresses only, but LeadsForge starts at $49 a month for 2,000 export credits. Here, it's the same price for 1,000 and you only get emails. And both of the apps have free trials. This is the wrong image. You can ignore that. LeadsForge gets 100 free credits and Lead411 gets 7 days free trial. I'm not sure how many prospects you can export, but there's that. Now, if you want to see how to actually use a lead database platform to get leads, the best leads possible for your business, I suggest you check out this video next.